You're not convinced by that, Steve.
You were on your own, you do as you please, having so much fun, gone and lost your reason after all is said and done. Well, are you still having fun? Well, how was you to know when you've gone astray? And happiness would go like a lost emotion. You have always gone your way. Are you happy today? Well, you know when you've been defeated, you don't care and you thank no one. Feeling low, you will always need it, but now you're having fun. Oh, you don't know what it is you've done. Oh, you don't know that this was your mistake in your master plan. With all the drugs you take, you can understand it after all is said and done. Well, are you still having fun? Well, you know